Hey folks, and welcome to week 14. It's a relatively short list here. So number one, the second research check-in for essay 4. Okay. Again, if you want to give me your questions and answers and want some feedback on those as you're working, I'm more than willing to take a look at them. We can do that whatever way you want. Okay. Just let me know. So that's job number one is to continue researching and then complete the research check-in part 2. Now, the next thing is, I've told many of you over the course of the semester, you're going to have an opportunity to revise one of your early essays, essay 1, 2, or 3. Look at the math there and note which ones, if recollection serves, essay 1 is 10% and 2 and 3 are both 15%. Of your total grade. So 2 and 3 sometimes have more bang for your buck unless a grade on number essay 1 is really low. Okay. You will have the opportunity to revise it. Just let me know. Excuse me. So for this week, I want you to think about doing this revision activity. So it's what we call a revision conversation. Should be pretty self-explanatory. If you have any questions along the way, just let me know. I'll be glad to help you out. You can turn that in. I'll give you some feedback on that. And then the revision of the essay will be due not this week, but next week. Okay? As always, if you have any questions, just let me know.